Hello children, welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about multiplication of decimal number. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 107. Multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Children, here two rules are there we have to follow. First one is decimal multiplication is done according to the rules of multiplication of whole numbers or fractions. Second one is we find the product and the number of decimal places in the product will be equal to the sum of decimal places in the multiplier and the multiplicand. Children, you know multiplier and multiplicand. If we multiply these two, multiplier and multiplicand, then we get one product. Okay, example 26. Here children, you see, according to the second rule, 0.3 multiply 5. Here children, this is one decimal place, 0.3, and here 0 decimal place. Then we get 1 decimal place. Here children, you see, if we multiply 1 decimal place with a whole number, then we get only 1 decimal places. Simply you multiply as whole number, 5 3s are 15. Then you see how much decimal places are there. Here only 1 decimal place, so you put here 1 decimal places. Then example 27. Here 2 decimal place means you can write 0.12. This is 10th place, 100th place. So 2 decimal places. Here 1 decimal place, only 1 is there, 0.1. If we multiply these 2 decimal number, then we get 3 decimal places number. Here 2 decimal places and here 1 decimal places you add. Then you get 0.132. First children, you multiply as a whole number. Like this, 12 multiply 11 equal to 132. Then you put point. How many decimal places are there? Here 2, here 1. So total 3. So here you put 3 decimal places. Clear? Then we see multiplication by a whole number. Multiplication of decimal numbers can be done by 2 methods. First one is column method. Second one is multiplication by changing into fraction. So, according to the first method, by column method, we do the multiplication. Here 225 multiply 7. But here question is what? 2.25 multiply 7. When you multiply, you remove that point and you multiply like whole numbers. Arrange and multiply as in whole numbers. You get this number. Your result is 1575. Then you see here 2 places are there. 2, 5. So you put 1 point for 2 places. So 15.75 is the answer. Okay. Then the second method by changing into fraction. 2.25 multiply 7. Children, you know 2.25 means 225 by 100. Then multiply 7. You multiply these two numbers 225 and 7, then you get 1575. Then by 100. Here 2 zeros are there, already I told you. Then you put 1 point before 2 numbers. So 15.75 is the answer. Okay. So like this children, you see example 29, example 30. Okay. Then multiplication by a decimal number. Example 31. 2.5 multiply 0.7. First we discuss about column method. Normally we multiply as a whole number. 25 multiply 7. Then we get 175. Children, here you see, here 1 place, here 1 place. Total 2 places. So we put here 1 point before 2 places. So 1.75 is the answer. Then another method is by changing into fraction. So 2.5 means, children, you know, 25 by 100 and 0.7 equal to 7 by 10. Then you multiply. Okay. 175 by 100. So the answer is 1.75. Like this, children, you see example 32 and 33. Here, children, you remember number of zeros in the denominator equal to number of decimal places in the product. Okay. Then multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. When we multiply by 10, 100 or 1000, the decimal point shifts to the right by 1, 2 or 3 places respectively. Multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000 increases the value of a number by 10, 100 or 1000 times respectively. For example, here 0.015 multiply 10. If we multiply 10 with this number, then this point is shifted to here, 0.15. Then if we multiply 100, then this point is shifted to the 2 places because here 2 zeros are there. So it moves right side by 2 places. So 1.5. Here, children, you see 3 0. So it moved 3 places. So 15.0 or only 15. Then comes to example 35. Children, if we multiply 7.8 and 10, then what you do? Let's see. You convert this point to fraction, decimal fraction. So 78 by 10. Then multiply 10. And this zero we cut out. Then only 78 is the answer. Then example 35. 1.06 means, children, 106 by 100. Then multiply 10. Here 10 we cut out. Then 106 by 10. So here 10 means, children, here you places 1. So 10.6 is the answer. So children, like this you see example 36 and 37. Then comes to exercise 7.4. Then one number is multiply and find the product. Here, children, in this exercise 1, 2 and 3 number. All our multiplication is there. So first, before you do this exercise, please practice all the examples in your book. Then you do these numbers 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So exercise 7.4 is your homework. Thank you.